Hi, today we'll be reviewing how to process your payroll in iSolved and which reports you should run to make sure your payroll is processed accurately. So we're going to go in here and we're going to log into our account. And you will wind up on your landing page, your company landing page. Now this has two different companies, but typically you only have the one company you're processing payroll, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do payroll for Olivia's Exclusive Wine Club, and then I'm going to go down here to payroll processing. Then I am going to click on payroll entry and my time entry grid, okay? And as you can see, all of my employees are here. Here's the regular hours column, the overtime, the sick, vacation, any commission. This is an example of what you will see. So we're going to go ahead and log in our hours. Down the row. And as you get to these salaried employees, you do not need to put in salary hours for these individuals because these are automatic pay rates. So this is what they get every single pay rate. So you do not need to put in hours unless you are short paying that salary. So say they worked 72 hours versus 80 and they do not want to use vacation. You can simply put 72 hours in there and short pay that person and only pay them for the 72 hours that they worked. But in this case, everybody worked what they should. So we're going to keep going down. Okay. And we have one more. And then we have your overtime column. So say this person worked 10 hours of overtime. 15, and so on and so forth. So we are done now entering our hours. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side and click Close Payroll. And you're going to preview your payroll. This step is very important because you want to make sure that you are paying everybody accurately. So you're going to click Preview Payroll. And then you're going to first look at your payroll register. This gives you the payroll by employee. So you know exactly how much each employee has made and to make sure that their payroll is accurate. So as you can see, this will populate in the middle of your screen and you will go line by line to make sure that every single employee has been paid accurately. So here's the employee name. There is their regular check, their earnings, their deductions, their taxes, even their exemptions. There's a lot of information on this report, so I highly recommend going through this report and making sure that everything is accurate before you process your payroll. And at the end of this report, you will have your totals. If everything is good to go, you are now going to go onto your payroll summary, and you will click Go. Now this will give you all of the cash requirements necessary to make sure that you can fund your payroll, and it will give you the breakdown of the live checks, the direct deposits, and the tax liabilities. It's a very good report. So as you can see, here are your live checks, here are your direct deposits, here are your tax liabilities, your third-party electronic payments. This is for like child support garnishments and such, and your payroll billing. And again, this is a mock environment. None of these numbers are true. But if you do want to look at this, this is how you will know what you need for your payroll. And it will even give you your payroll taxes, your employer tax expense, your earnings and your deductions. It's a great report. So you're going to definitely want to look at those, both of the payroll register and the payroll summary when you are processing your payroll. If everything is accurate, you are going to click Submit Payroll. And you are done processing your payroll. Hope you enjoyed this video and good luck.